Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Uh,
my
uh,
brother.
Dr. Solution, am I correct?
Yes, yes.
Doctor, I wanted to talk to you about something. There's a neighbor of mine. He's a Christian, and he is always fasting. But I noticed that instead of growing weak, he's growing stronger. And me, I like food now, look at me. I'm always eating, but I won't like sometimes I can't even take 10 steps without breathing heavily. So what do you think? Are you sure that man is not drinking one special medicine and lying to me? It's just fasting that he's doing. What can you say, sir?
This is a very funny question, but it's very, very important because we have to talk about this issue of fasting and its benefits. The man you're talking about, I think that man is doing a lot of good to himself because there are some benefits, medical benefits of fasting. It's not only spiritual benefits. Some people fast only for spiritual whatever. But now, medically, it is required that every man or woman should fast once in a while for the health benefits. Now, what are the health benefits of fasting? One of the health benefits of fasting is that when you fast, there's a loss of a decrease in the liver fatness or the glycogen that is stored in the liver. That is the glucose that is stored in the liver. Because first of all, when there's excess glucose in the body, where is it stored? It's stored in the liver in a form of glycogen. Now, when you start fasting and there's no food in your system, the body takes this glycogen, which is the carbohydrate that is already stored in your liver. When that one is depleted, what does the body do? The body goes into your system and takes the fat away through the process of ketogenesis. And in this case, the ketosis, what happens is that the body now diverts the fat in your system, converts it to glucose so that your body will use it. As time goes on, it can go as far as converting some of your protein or muscle into carbohydrates to use it. So this is the body process that goes on and goes on. So in the process of fasting, you lose a lot of fat, you lose a lot of glucose, and then you lose a lot of cholesterol. Very important. Cholesterol dries up in your system when you're fasting. Now, fasting also allows your heart to be free. If the cholesterol level in your heart or surrounding your heart is much, the heart will start start having breathlessness and heaviness in the heart. And then your liver, liver, there's a lot of fat on the liver, fatty liver. So many people have fatty liver, and this thing cannot go even without much exercise or much strenuous activity. So the only way to reduce it or to remove it is most of the times you do fasting. So fasting has a lot of benefits medically. It has a lot. It reduces your problem, and at times even when you fast, it reduces the body obesity. Your this thing, the artery is free and blood flow is free, and then you have lower blood pressure, lower sugar in the body, lower cholesterol in the body, and lower fat. So it is a very good exercise to undertake for your medical benefits. So don't take it for granted. Once in a while, maybe once a week or twice a week or once in a month or twice in a month, you fast for your medical benefit. Forget